Hey guys, it's me Anam and today I'm going to show you how to do nails with polygel at home. So I'm using this yayoge polygel kit. This kit is really good, and if you want a full review and what inside this box, so you can check out my Instagram account. So for this first step we have to take our nail paint removing wipes and remove nail paint from your nails. I don't really wear nail paints, but you can see my nails are in really bad condition cause I just removed my polygel nails before filming this video. So that's why I am removing all the nail paints and everything which is present on my nail. So I'm using this kind of wipes for removing my nail paint and everything cause this kind of wipes is really good, and this kind of wipes is alcohol free and acetone free. So in this second step we have to prep our nails. So you just need cuticle nipper, cuticle cutter and cuticle pusher. If you don't have this kind of tools, so you can use coin for pushing back your cuticles. And if you are beginner, so don't cut your cuticles cause it is really dangerous to cut your cuticles. And if you are pro, or if you know how to cut your cuticles, so you can cut your cuticles with nail cutter or scissor. So first we have to apply base coat on our nails. So apply this base coat and cure it for 60 seconds. So they give us two polygels. So first one is white and second one is tender pink. So I'm using that white one. So I'm using this kind of old container. This is old moisturizer container. I just put slip solution in it, and now they give us brush and this kind of tool. Now all you have to do is open the polygel tube and take a pea size amount polygel on that tool and put this polygel on dual form like this. Now dip your brush in slip solution and press the polygel on that dual form like this. Now put this dual form on your nails like this and press it gently, then cure it for around 60 seconds. Now cure it under UV LED lamp for 60 seconds. Now remove the dual form like this. It's done, ta-da! Now repeat this process on your remaining fingers. It's done. So I don't apply this polygel nails on my thumb cause it's hard to text while you have long nails. It is really stupid reason, but I don't know why I don't like to wear nails on my thumb. Cut your nails in desired shape you want and then file them. Done. But after that you have to apply top coat and cure it under UV LED lamp for 60 seconds. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy this video, so make sure to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel if you want, so you can share this video with your family and friends. So I'm going to meet you in my next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye.